Hello everybody. Our today's topic is adverbs. So in this topic we are going to learn about different kinds of adverbs. But before that, let us understand what are adverbs. Adverbs are words that are used in sentences to describe or modify the meaning of a verb or adjective or even another adverb. They add description to the sentence to make it more detailed and interesting. So adverbs, as the name itself shows, add verbs. Verb में और जोड़ता है. How the verb is going on. How the verb is working. She is laughing loudly. So how she is laughing? Loudly. So it is adding more effect to the verb. It is telling more about verb. Just like that, it tells more about adjective also, and sometimes it describe the adverb also. So let's start different kinds of adjectives. So as you can see here, there are the main adjective which we are going to learn in this video. They are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverbs of degree, and adverbs of frequency. So we will learn about these 5 adverbs in a detailed way and with more examples. Now these are the categories: adverb of time, adverb of place, manner and degree, and we will learn about frequency also. Again, I'm repeating the definition of adverb. Adverbs are words that are used in a sentences to describe or change the meaning of a verb or adjective or even another adverb. Time in a sentence, जब हमें टाइम पता चलता है, whenever question will arise when, तब जो word हमारे पास आएगा, that will be the adverb of time. Now here in this sentence you will see she will visit the hospital tomorrow. So when is she going to visit the hospital? Tomorrow. Tomorrow मतलब कल. तो वो ये adverb of time कहलाएगा. The results were announced yesterday. कब अनाउंस हुए? जब भी क्वेश्चन अराइज होगा कब या when, तो जो वर्ड हमारा आंसर होगा that will be the adverb of time. तो टाइम में हमारा होता है कब. Place, anywhere, somewhere, near, like I am sitting inside. So inside is कहाँ बैठी हूँ? Where? So question arises where? कहाँ? So they will meet you there. So where will they meet? There. So there is a adverb of place. Now in spring, flowers bloom everywhere. Where? Everywhere. So everywhere is an adverb. So adverb of manner. कैसे? ये कैसे बताता है हमें? How? She is singing melodiously. She is laughing loudly. तो कैसे? ये हमें बताता है कैसे. How? He quietly slipped away. कैसे स्लिप हुआ वो? Quietly. She works fast. How she works? Fast. This is called as adverb of manner. Now next is adverb of degree. It tells how much. Fully, partially, altogether, all these are the examples. She almost finished the work. How much she has finished? Almost. They were completely surprised by the windfall. तो किस चीज से सरप्राइज हुए वे? How much they were surprised. How much they were surprised? Completely. इसको कुछ और डिटेल वे में we will learn. Just listen carefully. Now look at here adverb of time. कल, परसों, बहुत साल पहले. ठीक है. So tomorrow, before, after, all these comes in the adverb of time. We will see few more words here with examples. Now here you will see this is one example that the results were announced yesterday. कब हुए? Yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb. Announced is a verb. इस verb को वो और बता रहा है कि कब हुआ है. It is describing this announced. तो कब हुआ है? When? Yesterday. Now she will visit the hospital tomorrow. Visit is a verb. So when will she visit? Tomorrow. So tomorrow is an adverb. Now here are few words: always, already, annually, before, constantly, daily, early, If you read all these words, then you will come to know that these are called the adverb of time. Adverb of time answer the question when. कब. हिंदी में हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे कब हुआ ये. And English when we will ask the question when. It tells us when an action happened. कब हुआ, how long, how often. Most important adverbs of time जो है ये हैं. Yesterday, tonight, last year, since, soon. ये सब आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. Now adverb of place. The group is singing outside. Where are they singing? Place बता रहा है. Where? कहाँ पर? So they are singing outside. तो जब place बता रहा है उस sentence में, उस शब्द को हम बोलेंगे adverb of place. Now here are the examples which we have already discussed earlier. They will meet you there. In spring, flowers bloom everywhere. So where they bloom? Everywhere. So these are the adverbs. Now few adverb of places are behind, there, down, out, near, abroad, indoor, downstairs. All these are the adverb of place. Now adverb of manner. कैसे? How? It arises the question how. जब भी हम पूछेंगे कैसे हुआ, कैसे गाया उसने, तो बहुत सुंदर गाया. Sweetly. Now you will see that generally adverb of manner ends with ly. Slow, slowly, soft, softly, loud, loudly. Like this way, we'll see few more examples. He quietly slipped away. Quietly is an adverb here. Happily is an adverb here. Now adverb of manner. Examples of adverb of manner. Few positive manners are there and few negative manners are there. Now beautifully, generously, all these are the positive. Easily, powerfully, elegantly, promptly, quickly, all these are positive manner. Now negative manner, angrily. She looked at me angrily, madly, badly, painfully. So all these are the negative manner. Adverb of frequency. How often, always, often, never, sometimes, twice a week, once a year. Frequency जो बताता है उसको हम बोलेंगे adverb of frequency. जैसे ये कुछ words यहाँ पर हैं. Just watch it carefully and learn it. It's always cold in this room. Always, हर समय हो रहा है. I usually get home about 6 o'clock. She doesn't normally arrive until 10. Normally, generally, often, always, sometimes, occasionally, all these tells us the frequency. So adverb of frequency, adverb of definite frequency occur at the beginning or the end of a sentence. An adverb that describe a definite frequency in one such as weekly, every week, daily, every day, yearly, every year. So all these words are the adverb of frequency. These adverbs are used to show the duration of timing of an action that is happening, had happened and will happen. Duration बताता है. Other examples are frequently, often, yearly, briefly, etc. Now adverb of degree, it tells how much, how hot, very hot, how cold, extremely cold. Now look at the example. She almost finished. How much she finished? Almost. So almost is an adverb of degree. How much of the work did she finish? So almost. They were completely surprised by the windfall. How are they surprised? They were completely surprised. They were completely surprised. Now these are the examples of adverb of degree. Lots, little, extremely, thoughtfully, pretty, really. Okay, I hope you have understood adverbs. Thank you for listening. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.